Welcome to Tip 8. A smart negotiator not only haggles on price, but also structures the deal to match their rollout plan. What do we mean by that? If you're adopting Exadata Cloud Customer, you might not use full capacity on day one. Maybe you plan to migrate only a few databases this quarter and more next year. Oracle's default approach, however, is often to lock you into a flat annual spend from the start, which might be high from year one. Negotiation tip. Propose a phased, ramp-up commitment schedule. For example, commit to a lower spend in year one while you're in initial deployment, then increase the committed amount in year two or year three once you have more workloads migrated. This way, your costs start lower and only rise as your actual usage rises. You're aligning cost with value received. Oracle may resist because they want revenue up front, but many customers have succeeded by explaining their deployment timelines. You could say, we'll only use X OCPUs in the first 6 months, so let's set a lower commit early and step it up later. Also, try to include flexibility. If things change, can you adjust the commit down or up? Even if Oracle won't allow decreasing, having the right to increase later without penalties is useful, and they usually won't mind you committing more later. The key is avoiding paying large sums in year one that you can't actually utilize. In short, pay as you grow. CTA, negotiate a schedule that fits your rollout. You'll save money and avoid waste. Up next is tip 9, where we'll caution against some tempting bundle deals.